Hi everyone, today is going to be a fire alarm collection update tonight. This is very late at night that I'm doing this, that's why it's a little dark. And it's 12:54 at night, almost 1 o'clock in the morning. School night, but this is all the stuff I've got so far. There we go. Got the camera to focus on it. Pretty good. And I got these two new devices, so my collection has grown bigger in the past. So we're gonna look at all the devices. So first up is a Simplex dual action T-bar, except that it doesn't have the switch, the button, and the module has been removed because this is my first pull station. So, but also it's made by Simplex. Yeah, so there's the Simplex logo right there. And so my dad gave me that pull station right there. It's not that it's a little glossy. So up next we have a System Sensor P2475 Spectre Alert Classic. And yes, the label has rubbed off over time. That stuff happens. Half of the P is missing. Yeah, so up next we have a System Sensor PC24115 Ceiling Mount Spectre Alert Classic. The model number on this is excuse me, guys. Alright. System Sensor PC24115 Ceiling Mount Spectre Alert Classic. Yeah. Up next we have the new devices. Yeah, the backplate covers it up. It's a System Sensor PC2W Ceiling Mount Spectre Alert Advanced. And it's also multi-candela, indicated by this indicator at the bottom. Horn strobe. Yeah, I got 3 horn strobes. And last but not least, we have my EST Genesis remote strobe. This is also my first remote strobe. And this alarm was my first alarm ever, my first horn strobe. And as we all know, I do like Spectre Alert Classics a lot. I do like Spectre Alert Classics. I also like Advances too. I love the ceiling mount. This was brand new. I tested this in the video. Let's take a look at the label here. Hopefully you can see that. Pause if you want to read the label. Yeah. These only come in 2-wire versions. See? Yeah, so there you have it. So I hope you enjoyed my fire alarm collection update. Now I'm gonna go clear the floor. Now I'm gonna clear up this stuff and then put this all away. Yeah, I'm gonna go clear this stuff up and put this all away. So, hope you enjoyed it, and thanks for watching.